Yo, welcome to another day in the life of myself. They call me Locksmith, and we are up here in Monster Gym in Cesar. Today, I'm gonna be training with Esin PT. Now, you know when you're training with Esin PT, you've got a good grueling session involved. I've heard words like back and biceps involved, so let's get to it. Esin!
Oceans apart, I keep sailing till we're on the same land. If there's no end to our start, I'll keep hold of it with both hands. Just say what's on your mind, cause I can't cope with false hope.
So here's the thing, today we're working on back and bicep. We're going to work on 3 exercises back to back, and then we're just going to keep switching on them. Trying to keep the recovery low and the intensity high. My man has had to go and change his t-shirts. Sweating in the armpits.
Am I wasting my time if I know you don't feel the same?
Just hating that you can't do muscle ups and I can. It's burning me out, so I can't do it at the end of the series.
Why are you talking like that for?
No, I'm listening.
The idea is shock your muscle, shock your mind. If your mind is shocked, then you know your muscles are like, what's going on? That's how we get those gains, bro.
I'm not listening.
I asked you to tell you, bro. What's going on?
You said 20, 15, 10. We did like 30 in one go.
Let's find a common emotion, something we both can feel. Let's dive, sink and drown in devotion. So know that this is real, cause I want to feel common.
See, we said every rep each. Didn't clarify like it was like 3 sets, no? You're my witness. Fuck's sake. Ha!
Ooh, common emotion. Ooh, common emotion. Ooh, common emotion. The darkest of sky, but my fears shine ironically.
Horrible. Doesn't feel that great, obviously. But I knew it would be like this with Esin. I think it's more of a mind thing than actually being able to do it. Although these are the first time I'm ever doing the exercises that we're doing today. Just got back from Romania, where I was there for, well, I was traveling the majority of the time. Back with 2 hours sleep, and now I'm here in the gym. So I was there for 36 hours, 2 hours sleep, 1 hour gig, and the rest was traveling. You know how my body's feeling. So what are we doing now, bro?
2 exercises back to back. Barbell curls first, 8 reps, straight onto dumbbell curls. As soon as you're done, shoulders back.
I've tried to unwind, but I'm struggling to find peace, find peace. I tried to find something secret and mutual, but I'm losing my mind, cause I don't know if you care at all, at all.
All that effort and energy to jump up outside it.
Oh, let's find a common emotion, something that time can heal. Let's dive, sink and drown in devotion.
Just finished the session with Esin PT right here at Monster Gym. It was a frustrating one. Been away, did a DJ set in Romania with Rudimental, and it was hard. What did we do today, Esin?
Back and biceps. How long have we been training together?
What, maybe 5 years?
5 years. So the idea today was to, I told him reps that he was going to be doing. He had an idea of the work rate, but I wanted to switch it up as soon as he got into it. So on one of the exercises, he ended up doing how many reps?
30, 40.
A lot of reps. All I'm trying to do is confuse the mind, confuse the muscle. So at least the body is always building up. How did that make you feel when you went through it?
See, in the current mood I'm in, I'm frustrated, angry, effing and blinding all over the gaff. I wasn't happy with it. And that's one thing I'll send out like a little message to everyone out there, is that sometimes it gets frustrating and it gets hard and you feel like you can't go on. That's the mind battling you. You can do the work, it's mind over matter. That's what we was going through today.
When your body is used to going through a certain rep range, set range, you're gonna hit a plateau. So you've got to be willing to take yourself out of that comfort zone. Go into zones that you're not used to going into, that may not be the traditional, but your body's just gonna have to get used to it. As a result, the muscle gains will come, the fitness will increase.
Yeah, that's it in a nutshell. They call me Locksmith, they call him Esin PT. We're out.